Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito, nagsalita na po ang mga PMA generals, specifically members ng PMA class of 1988 na kung saan membro si General Wilkins Villanueva. So ang mga general na ito, 62 of them signed the manifesto expressing their support to General Villanueva and binabatikos nila itong ginawa ng Quadcom. By the way, ito ang pinadala sa akin, SMNI News, posted 2 hours ago. Just in, sabi niya, the Philippine Military Academy Maringal Class of 1988 released a manifesto of support for former PDEA Director General Wilkins Villanueva, who was cited in contempt by the House Quad Committee recently. Okay, so basahin natin ang kanilang manifesto. Philippine Military Academy Maringal Class of 1988 Manifesto of Support for former PDEA Director General Wilkins M. Villanueva. Nako, masyadong maliit. Yan na. We, the members of PMA Maringal Class of 1988, strongly express our unwavering support for our MISTA, former PDEA Director General Wilkins M. Villanueva, and his commitment to justice amidst the unjust, mabigat yun, unjust and unfounded contempt citation by the House of Representatives Quad Committee. Any move to detain DJ Villanueva would represent not only a misapplication of authority but a serious affront to fairness, due process, and the respect due to an individual who has honorably served our nation. Director General Villanueva has exemplified integrity, courage, and selfless service throughout his distinguished career as a law enforcer and head of Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. His life's work reflects an unwavering commitment to the core values instilled in him since his days at the Academy. To accuse him of dishonesty without substantive evidence unjustly undermines his decades of service and dedication to the Filipino people. DJ Villanueva appeared before the committee in good faith, providing transparent and truthful testimony based on his personal knowledge and recollection. The accusation made against him, unsupported by credible evidence, cast doubt on the integrity of the process. Any move to detain DJ Villanueva would risk eroding public trust in the institution tasked with upholding justice and fairness. This issue goes beyond DJ Villanueva's personal plight. Ito na. Pati na yung it is a pivotal moment for our democratic institution, presenting a clear choice. Will they stand as bastions of truth, justice, and integrity, or will they allow actions that would set a dangerous precedent where power overshadows fairness and reason? We affirm our complete support for DJ Villanueva. DJ Villanueva, and his pursuit of justice His exemplary career stands as a testament to the values of honor and service, and we remain confident that these principles will ultimately prevail. We stand firmly with him during this challenging time and believe that upholding justice in his case will strengthen public trust in the nation's democratic institution. So, sino-sino ang mga nagpirma? All as members of Marangal Class of 1988, we proudly uphold the same ideals that DJ Villanueva has embodied throughout his life. We stand by him with conviction, knowing that his integrity and dedication to the nation will continue to inspire our people. Okay, bago ko basahin itong mga pangalan ng pumirma, I can tell you, ang dami ko nang nakakausap, kahit hindi member ng PMA Class of 1988, yung ibang classes, nagsasabi na talagang matino itong si DJ Wilkins Villanueva. So, malaking kamali itong ginawa ng Quadcom na dinitin kaagad. Paano nila madetermine na nagsisinungaling? May lie detector test ba sila? Grabe. No, ito ang mga pumirma. Major General Simeon Felix, Air Force ito. Police General Dominador B. Carlos, PNP Chief ito, 4-star General. Police Major General Pagkalinawan, Erwin Pagkalinawan. Police Major General Leo Angelo Lioterio. Lieutenant General Alfredo Rosario. Major General Divino Rey Pabayo. Major General Viner Odilon Mariano. Lieutenant General Franco Nimisio Gacal. Lieutenant General Ferdinand Cartojano. Major General Generoso Ponyo. Major General Angelo Ramos. Major General Pilahio Valenzuela. Lieutenant General Arnolfo Marcelo Burgos. Police Brigadier General Joselito Esquivel. Lieutenant General Corleto Binloan. Vice Admiral Ramil Enriquez. Police Brigadier General Jan Bulacacao. Major General Pio Diñoso. General Jose Faustino Jr., Chief of Staff. Dating Secretary of National Defense. Lieutenant General Erickson Gloria. Lieutenant Colonel Anthony Bangilista. Brigadier General Carlo Buena. Police Major General Angelito Casimiro. Casimiro. Brigadier General Raimundo Acorda. Police Major General Ferdinand Daway. Vice Admiral Adelios Bordado. Admiral Leopoldo Laro, 4-star General ito ng Coast Guard. Ang dami nilang 4-star. 4 na. Lieutenant Colonel Ferdinand Barakel. Major General Gilbert Saret. Police Brigadier General Anthony Alcaneses. Police Major General Herminio Tadeo. Okay, saan pa yung isa? Ito. Colonel Arnold Makadangdang. Captain Ramon Mitra. Ito, anak ni Speaker Ramon Mitra. Ramon Mitra Junior. Brigadier General Oliver Dislino. Police Major General Celso Pistaño. Major General Ruben Basiao. Captain Renato Salvacion. Police Brigadier General Samuel Rodriguez, Brigadier General Bienvenido Regiondola, Colonel Rodrigo Gregorio, Brigadier General Larry Mojica, Brigadier General Leopoldo Lavalla, Commander Siebert Monterola, Captain Jesus Portis, Colonel Renel More, Colonel Harry Aris, Commodore Albert Cruz, Police Superintendent Mariano Manawag, Colonel Filimon Radam, Brigadier General Ezra James Enriquez, Police Major General Rolando Hinanay, Police Superintendent Ferdinand Alcanzo, Brigadier General Ferdinand Jose Rivera, Colonel Rinaldo Berceles, Captain Arnel Mendoza, Captain Zosimo D.G. Jimenez, Commander Maximo Mejia, Police Brigadier General Samala, Police Brigadier General Ordoña, Brigadier General Igmedio Cruz, Police Captain Antonio Ponce, and Rear Admiral Joselito de la Cruz, PCG. Okay? So, 62 lahat ang nakapirma na members ng PMA Class of 1988. Sana pakinggan ng Kongreso itong manifestong ito at sana palabasin nyo na si DG Wilkins Villanueva. Again, yung determination ng evidence bakit siya ikulong is kulang.